Business Central, using InsightWorks, we've been asked many times, can we change the menus that are available here within the application? And the answer to that is yes. And again, we only recommend to do this with a consultant, and that consultant in consultation with the InsightWorks team. Let's go take a look. In Tell Me, we're going to search Device Menu. Here we have InsightWorks Device Menus configuration. Now in this scenario, when I receive a document at our warehouse, I want to be able to print off the paperwork, the relevant purchase order that relates to this document. So in the menu, I have no function to print. So what we're going to do over in Business Central, we're going to change this form to an application. We're going to filter, and this is going to be the warehouse receipt. In here you can see a whole heap of options that are available out of the box with the ability for you to create extra menu items. If I click down to the print function, we can see here, is it visible? And the answer is no. I click yes, make visible. I go back to save the settings. On the zebra, we go back to the home screen, press the menu and reload configuration. Now, when I go to receive, I click the purchase order. I now have the ability to print.